What's up, viewers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Like I mentioned in the previous video, I was taking my ZX10RR to the BMW showroom. I thought it would be cool to have both the bikes together, but things didn't go as planned. So, what happened was I got caught by the cops. A lot of people gathered around, and there was this person. He told me he was from the media. He started recording everything. They made me start the bike and rev it so that they could listen to the sound and all that. So, eventually, I had to go to the Baswangudi traffic police station. I didn't want to wait for the mechanic, so I removed the exhaust by myself and installed the stock one. They let me go after putting the fine. I got the challan, everything was done, but they didn't give me this aftermarket exhaust. I was told to come back after a couple of days to collect it. So today I will be going to the police station to collect the exhaust. I hope they don't create any other issues there. So this is the stock exhaust. Let me start the bike and show you how it sounds. It sounds much better with an aftermarket, but can't do that anymore. So this is how it's gonna be. I'm going to collect the exhaust now. I don't know if I can film in there. Let's see. Kindly share this video. It has to reach out to everyone. Whoever owns a super bike, guys, kindly remove your exhaust. Put the stock ones. Don't make the same mistake as I did and lose a lot of money. But this was really unfair, guys. They shouldn't have done this. Hey guys, I'm back from the police station. Such a bad day today. I'm not supposed to reveal what we spoke with the inspector, so I had to mute it out. I'm not sure if what the cops did was right or wrong, even after paying such a hefty fine. My message to the entire motorcycle community is, if there are any sort of modifications in your bike which are not meant for city purposes, I kindly request you to remove that so that you don't face the same problem as I did. So I was supposed to do a video on the BMW bike today, but that's going to get postponed to the next video. The other two beauties, I'll show you more in the next video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel.